In previous session, I have explained in order. Now, I will explain in this session pre-order tree travels. What is pre-order tree travels? A pre-order tree travels is a travels technique that follows the policies, that is root, left, right. This is root is nothing but we will call it is a root node. I will take that one as n, and this is left subtree or left node, that is taken as L, and this is right node or right subtree, that is taken as R. Here first what happens, it will move to the node, that is root node, then it will move to the left of its subtree, and after completing this it will move to the right of the subtree. Here you can observe, here root left right means root node of the tree is traveled first, then the left subtree, and finally the right subtree is traveled. Here pre-order name itself suggests that root node could be traveled first. Pre means first. Therefore N, L, R. In previous what is there? It is in order. In means in between the left and right. Therefore it came L, N, R. Now I will take the example. Here in previously what I have taken, same tree structure I have taken, and I will go on explaining this. Now you can observe here which is node. Here A is a root node. First this should be printed. To perform the pre-order travels, we first visit root node, that is A, then left part, and then we will traverse right part of the root node. First we will visit this, and next this and this, that is B. After B it will move to the C. As a node A is the root node in the above tree, this tree, so it gets printed as shown below, that is NLR. Here root node is A, therefore it is get printed. Now you come this side. What is there? This is, we can observe another left part, that is B is a node. In B there is no left subtree and only right subtree is there, or right node or right child is there. According to this NLR, there is next what is there? B is in a root node. Therefore B is get printed. You can observe here. Once the root node is traversed, we move to the left subtree. This part B is the root node for its right child, this one and this one. What happens? That is D. Therefore B is get printed as shown in below. But here after B it should move to the left. But here in this diagram you observe that there is no left subtree. Automatically what happens? It will move to the right node of the B. That is right node of the B is D. Next it will get printed as, can you guess what? It is D. See, since node B does not have any left child and it has only right child, therefore D get printed as below, that is in the form of NLR. After this left part and root node is over. After this what happens? I should move to the this part. Here you can observe that it is having A is having a C right child. This C is having two child, that is E and F. After that what happens? In C it is having E is having one left child, that is G, but no right child. Now it should move here. First it will move to here. You can see what is there? E, then G. First before E, which one is the root node? Here you can observe, that is C. That means first C will get printed. See, once, see here you can observe. Once the left part of the root node A is traversed, Then what happens? We move to the right part of node A, that is C. You can observe, since C is a root node for all other nodes, what happens? C gets printed as shown in below. After this, what? See, I should move to the left. Here, left, what is there? Once again, there is a node, that is E. In E, it is having only one child, that is left child, that is G. According to this, what should be first printed? First, it should be printed as root node. Here, the root node is E. Therefore, E is printed. See, now we move to the left child, that is E of the node C. Since node is E is a root node for node G is, therefore E gets printed. Now E is get printed. After that, it should move to the left part. In left part, what is there? It is G. In next, it will get printed. See, here you can observe. After G, what happens? It will move to the right part. Here in right part, F is a node, that is root node. Therefore, first F will get printed. Since the left part of the node C is completed, so we move to the right part of the node C. This part you can observe. The right child of the node C is what? Here it is F. Now the node F is a root node for the node, which one? H and I. That is, it is a parent node for H and I. Therefore, F will be get printed. Therefore, the node F printed as shown below. Here you can observe, I have written N, L, R form. Next, once the node F is visited, we will travels where? Here, see, after node, what is there? Left. Left, it is what is there? It is H. Therefore, once the node F is visited, we will travel the left child, that is H of node F as shown below. Then what happens? H will get printed. Then what is remaining? Last one is right node. Now we will traverse the right child, that is I of node F as shown in the below figure. Then what it will print? It will print A. Now A, B, D, C, E, then G, then F, then H, then I. See, this is what we will get the result in the pre-order. Now we can concentrate for algorithm for this one. First, visit the root node, that is I have named it one as N. After traveling root node, then what happens? I should move to the left subtree, that is L. I have marked it as an L. Call pre-order left subtree. Then travels the right subtree. I have named it is an R. Then that is call pre-order what? Right subtree R. Next, what is the C function? Here you can observe, we should write the program in this form. This is pre-order because the root node should come first, after it should followed by left and right. Therefore, void pre-order travel struct node I am calling a root node. If root node not equals to null, if it equals to null means what happens? There is no node exists. If it is not null, it will print the data what is in the root node, that is N. After that, what happens? It will move to the left child, that is left child of the root node or left node. After that, it will travels to the root of the right child, that is right node or right subtree of the root node. This is how it will work, that is from where root node, left node, then write subnode. I think you have understand thoroughly about pre-order tree traversals. Thank you.